Hey, hey, welcome everyone. I'm John, by the way.
And I'm Emma. Hi, friends.
So, Emma and we're here today because we want to talk about something that, well, it's actually pretty funny when you think about it.
Yeah, and something that a lot of people say to us, like all the time.
Every single day, honestly.
So we thought, why not just talk about it? Make a whole conversation about it.
Before we get started, though, tell everyone a little bit about yourself. Where are you from?
Oh, well, I'm from California. I grew up in a small town near San Francisco, and I love coffee, hiking, and I teach English online sometimes.
Oh, cool. So you know about this stuff then.
Yeah, I definitely do. What about you, Speaker One?
I'm from Texas, born and raised, Dallas area. And I work in marketing, but I'm also really interested in languages. I speak a little Spanish, a little French, nothing crazy, but yeah,
That's awesome. So you understand both sides of it.
I really do. Okay, so let's just dive in. The thing that everyone tells us.
Is that we talk really slow.
Like so slow.
I think people don't realize why we talk slow, though. Like, they just hear it and they think, why are they talking like that? That's weird.
Right. It's not because we're tired. I always joke like people think I just woke up or something.
Or that we're sad about something.
Exactly. Is everything okay, John? Yes, everything's fine. I'm just talking.
You know what's interesting, though? When I first started teaching English online, I didn't realize I was doing it. My students, they said, Emma, why are you talking so slow? And I was like, I'm not. But I was. I totally was.
When did you notice?
I watched a recording of one of my lessons, and oh my gosh, John, I could not believe it. I was like, hello, student, how are you today?
That's amazing. But also, like, I get it. Your students are learning English, right?
Yes, but here's the thing. I'm not actually doing it on purpose. My brain just does it automatically.
Exactly. That's what I wanted to talk about. Because I think a lot of people think we're being condescending or something, like we're treating them like babies.
Oh my God, yes. My sister told me that once. She was like, Emma, you sound like you're talking to a toddler. And I was really hurt for a second.
Yeah, that must feel bad.
But then I realized it's not about that. It's about something else completely.
So, what is it then? Why do we do it? I've been thinking about this for years.
Okay, so I think it's about clarity, first of all. When someone is learning something new, their brain is working really hard to understand, right?
Right, right.
So if we talk at a normal, fast speed, everything kind of blurs together. It's like, have you ever listened to someone speak in a language you don't understand very well?
Oh, yeah. When I was in Mexico, I was trying to listen to Spanish speakers, and honestly, it sounded like blah, 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 blah. I couldn't catch anything.
Yes, exactly. So when we slow down, learners can actually catch the words. They can like separate each word and understand it.
So, it's a strategy.
Exactly. It's a teaching strategy. It's not rude, it's helpful.
I like that perspective. And I think there's something else too. When we slow down, people can hear the pronunciation better, like the sounds.
Oh, absolutely. Because normal speech, we mumble sometimes. We skip sounds. We do all kinds of things that make it hard.
Right. Like, do you know how Americans say did you really fast?
Did ya?
Right. But if I say it slowly, it's like did you. Two separate words. Learners hear that better.
And also, when we slow down, there's space for people to think, to process, to maybe even repeat in their heads what they just heard.
That makes so much sense. I never really thought about it that way.
Because our brains are amazing, but they can only do so much at once, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, I know what you mean.
I have a funny story, actually. When I was in France,
Oh, when were you in France?
I was there for like 3 months. I was 24, and I was trying to learn French, right? But I was really, really bad at it.
Come on, how bad?
Like, really bad. I could say, hello, my name is Speaker 2, and that was it. That was my whole French vocabulary.
Okay, okay.
So I'm at this cafe and I'm trying to order a coffee, and I'm speaking English with a French accent, thinking that somehow that will help. I want one coffee, please.
No.
Yes. And the woman behind the counter, she was so frustrated. And then my friend, who was fluent in French, she jumped in and spoke French really, really fast. And I looked at her like, I have no idea what you just said.
Did she slow down for you?
She did. She actually slowed down. And suddenly I could understand like one or two words. And I was so grateful for that slowness. It was like she opened a door for me.
That's actually really sweet.
Right? So when I became a teacher, I thought about that moment. I thought, I want to be that person for my students. I want to open that door.
That's beautiful, honestly. What about you? Do you have a story? Yeah, actually. So, I was learning Spanish. I took classes in high school, kind of forgot it, then tried again as an adult.
How'd that go?
Not great at first. So, I found this online tutor. Her name was Maria. And Maria, she was like the nicest person ever, but she talked so slowly. And I remember thinking at the time, Maria, come on, talk faster. I can understand you.
Oh no.
So one day she decided to speak at normal speed, just to prove a point, I think. And I understood like maybe 30% of what she said. I was so embarrassed.
Did you apologize?
I did. I was like, Maria, I'm so sorry. Please go back to slow. And you know what? After that, I really appreciated it. The slowness. It wasn't annoying anymore. It was kind.
That's a really good lesson.
Yeah, it changed my perspective completely.
Can we talk about something that I think is important? The emotional part.
Of course. What do you mean?
Well, learning a language can make you feel vulnerable, like you're suddenly a beginner at something.
Yeah, even if you're an adult.
Exactly. You might be really smart, really successful in your job, but when you're learning English or French or Spanish, you feel like a kid sometimes.
Yeah, that's true.
And I think when a teacher or a friend slows down and speaks clearly, it's not just practical, it's also it's respectful. It's showing the learner, I see you. I understand that this is hard, and I'm going to help you.
Wow. I never thought about it like that, but you're right. There's something kind about it.
Right? It's patience. It's patience being turned into slowness.
I like that a lot. Patience into slowness.
And here's the thing that some people don't get. When we slow down, we're not saying you're stupid. We're saying this is hard and I want to help you succeed.
That's the opposite of condescending. That's encouraging.
Exactly. It's actually encouragement in a different form.
You know what? I'm going to remember that next time someone says my speech is slow.
What are you going to say to them?
I'm going to say, I'm not being condescending, I'm being kind.
I love that.
But let's also talk about the flip side, right? There are people who misuse this, who talk slow to be rude.
Oh, yeah, that's real too.
Yeah, like there's a difference between helpful slowness and mocking slowness.
Good point. Helpful slowness is about clarity. It's about making sure they understand. But mocking slowness is like, how dumb are you? Does exaggerated mean voice.
Yeah, that's the opposite energy.
And tone matters a lot too. Your face, your body language, everything.
So it's not just about how slow you're talking, it's about why you're talking slow.
Yes, exactly.
And I think most people who slow down for language learners, their hearts are in the right place.
I think so too. Like, they might not be doing it perfectly, but the intention is good.
Yeah, the intention is usually good.
So, if someone is teaching English or any language, what would you say? How should they slow down?
Well, I think you got to actually slow down, first of all. Not just in your words, but in your whole body. Be present.
Good point. Like,
Don't be distracted.
Yeah, I think you should ask the learner how they feel. Like, is this speed okay for you? Do you want me to go slower, faster?
I love that. That's such a good idea. Because everyone's different, right?
Right. Some people might be comfortable with medium speed. Some people need it super slow.
And you can't really know unless you ask.
Exactly. Also, I think you should explain difficult words. Don't just use a word and move on.
Like, this word means, and give them a clear explanation.
And maybe use it again in a sentence so they can see how it works.
That's smart. Because one time is not enough to really learn a word.
Yeah, repetition is key, but not boring repetition, like natural repetition.
And you know what else? When you slow down, you make room for questions.
Oh man, yes. People are so scared to ask questions sometimes.
Right? But if you go slowly, it's like there's space for them to raise their hand and say, wait, I didn't understand that.
That's a really good point. The slowness creates safety almost.
It does. It really does.
You know what I've been thinking about? This whole thing is bigger than just language learning.
What do you mean?
Well, like, in general, in the world, people talk really fast. Everyone's always in a rush, you know?
Yeah, everyone's rushing, everyone's stressed.
And I think there's something powerful about choosing to slow down.
Pause, thinking. Yeah, there really is.
Like when you slow down, you're saying, I'm going to take my time, I'm going to be present, I'm going to respect the person I'm talking to.
Softly, that's really true.
And that's good for everyone, not just language learners.
That's actually really wise, John.
I surprised myself with that one.
But seriously, though, I think that's something we could all do more of. Just slow down.
Talk slower, listen better, give people time to think.
And understand that when someone's being patient with us, it's not an insult, it's an act of kindness.
So, to wrap up everything we talked about today,
Turns to camera. If you're learning English and someone talks slowly to you, just know.
they're probably doing it because they want to help you. They want you to understand.
And that's actually beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
So don't feel bad about it. And if you're someone who's teaching or helping someone learn, don't feel self-conscious about slowing down.
It's a gift, actually. It's a gift.
To John, thank you for talking about this with me today.
Of course, this was really fun and really meaningful, I think.
To camera. And thank you, everyone, for watching and learning with us today.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel.
And let us know in the comments, do people ever talk slowly to you? How does it make you feel? We'd love to hear your stories.
Smiles warmly. Thanks so much for being here with us.
Waves, see you next time, friends.
Waves, bye everyone.
They both smile at the camera as the video ends. Warm, genuine, friendly atmosphere maintained.